Hello my friends, you are welcome to my channel. And I am Mr. BK welcoming you in this video. You are thinking my English is very wrong. But you don't worry. If I can make mistake, then I can make correct. You understand that is very well. Simply you understand, this time I am small baby. I am learning my basic English. And just nowadays I am going to start my communication. Because this is my interesting language. And whatever you like, you want to do that properly. And all the successful person in the world or all person the great failures, but it was there every day to bounce back in tough time. That makes them successful. Like that, I am inspired by any story. So I am started my communication skill. Just I am recording my video, and if I do not like, then I delete it. I want to tell you by this video. I want to tell you in this video how to communication practice. I am speaking wrong, but I don't scared because I am opening my mouth. It is locked. I am not able to speak confidently, properly. So I think I should speak properly. Then what to do for that? I started communicating to myself. But sometime people are telling me, speak good English. But this is my belief system. I trust this. I can learn English one by one and practicing like this. So I started my practice. If you also want to improve your speaking skill, then you can also practice as I do. But I think you are scaring. But don't worry, bro, because you are also learning. I am also learning. Like me, you speak to yourself whatever there is in your mind. First open your mouth. Your mind has everything in English, but you are not using. You are not speaking. Come on, speak up whatever you know. Most of English words your mindset has, but you are not using properly. So I want suggest you, speak like this, whatever you know. As I am speaking, do you know, without practice, no one has gone ahead. No one has achieved anything. As I said first, there was every day there to bounce back in tough time. Like this, you should do whatever you feel like for learning English communication. You can watch English videos. You can watch English version videos, English comedy, English conversation. Most of things there is in social media. You can do that as well. You don't scare. First time I was also same to you, but this time I am like speaking because you are afraid, scared to make mistakes. But I don't think so. Make mistakes, 100 mistakes, thousands mistakes, no problem. But if you will not make mistake, then how can you make correct? You understand these things very well. You have many problem, I know. Your friend reply no. You have no English environment. I too have this problem. But this time I am speaking like you. This time I think I am a small baby. I am learning. You don't worry, bro. I think whenever you are opening your video camera, whenever you are going to in front of mirror, you are scaring. But it will not take too much time. You will scare 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. After that, what will happen? You know very well. One day, 1 words, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words. Okay, when you will feel shy, then you will left, you will leave. But right now, wherever you are, please, time is going past in. You do something because you want to become a unique English speaker or English communicator. No problem, be continue and do your practice properly. One day you will achieve that you have dreamed. What is your goal? What do you want to become? Where you want to reach? Definitely you will get that. But do your practice continue. It will not take too much time. If you will